Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel, High Vibe Attractor, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm talking about raising your vibration, how to do that, and raising your consciousness, transforming your life, because everything and everyone and you are energy and you can manifest anything that you want, your dream life. And that is a law of the universe. So today I'm going to talk about how to manifest your dream life. And this is part 2. So if you want to see part 1, then you can go up here or here. And if you want a part 3, then like and peace and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video and enjoy. So number 2 is being grateful. And being grateful always create more of being grateful. When you're grateful for one thing, then you get grateful a second, third, a fourth, and fifth, and it can just go on and on and on. Like you can say, I'm grateful I have like a roof over my head, and I have hair, and I have a heart that is beating right now. I have a mom, I have a dad. It can literally be anything, and we always have something to be grateful for, and that is a really beautiful thing of it. Because you already have so much, but sometimes we human tend to like focus on what we don't have and focus on the lack feeling, and then we only get more of that lack feeling. But when you focus on what you do have, like love, and you have that inside of you already, and all these things, then you're gonna just attract more of it and more of your dream life and more opportunities. And I promise you, if you just do it for one day, like say to yourself, I'm only going to be grateful for everything today and see the positive side of it, because there's always a negative and positive side of it, and then see how your life transforms. And yes, it takes practice, because we are so used to go in this low vibration and focus on what we lack and like to try to predict the future and stuff. But it will change. Physically, your body will relax more, you will be more like in a trust and happy state. That is your natural being state. And being grateful for what you maybe don't have yet, because when you are grateful for something you don't have yet, like I'm grateful for I have like $1,000 on my account right now, then you're gonna attract that to your life. Because if you focus on, I don't have $1,000 on my account right now, and I have to do this and that to get it and stuff, then it's just gonna get worse, and then you think you have to do so much to deserve $1,000. Or it could be a boyfriend or a girlfriend, whatever it is for you. And when we know that we are energy and we attract what we feel, because energy is everything and everyone, and we attract that to us. When we know that, and we truly embody that, and truly believe that, which is the truth, it's science, then you are gonna attract your dream life just like that in the present moment. And it's really important that you have like a vision of what you want. Because how can you ask for something if you don't know what it is? I think that quote was from The Secret, Dare to Dream, like the movie, number 2. It's not like a documentary, is that called that? I don't know, but it's like a normal movie. It's not like real, but it's like inspiration from The Secret, the first one. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and peace and subscribe for more. That would mean the world to me and help my channel grow. And you can just leave a comment if there's anything you would like to say or anything you have realized. I would love to read them. So I'll see you in the next